Have you ever been asked to put together in a quick time frame a project schedule on a topic or theme that you have little or no experience with? In such situations, the help of AI, and in this particular case Copilot, can really be the helping hand that you need. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to quickly put together a schedule and get this into Microsoft Project so you can get your project underway in the shortest amount of time. So let's take a look. So we're going to be using Copilot as our AI tool in this particular example. And what we can do is we're going to come up with an example with a project that personally I have very little experience with, and that's with website refresh projects. So we're going to ask AI to help us document all of the tasks to at least help us to start engaging with project teams to get the project off the ground. So I'm going to ask Copilot, please provide a detailed project schedule for a website refresh project. Provide tasks and corresponding estimated durations in table format. Click submit. In less than 30 seconds, it has given us a whole list of tasks, considerations, and an estimated duration against each of those tasks for us to use. So you have two options. You can use the little Excel icon here to edit in Excel, which will send it to a web version. But in this particular case, I'm actually going to copy all of these tasks and the corresponding durations and paste this into a new Excel document. After copying and pasting this is what I've ended up with. I'm going to tidy this sheet up a little bit so it can all be read properly. And the next step is to tidy up this sheet a little further. For example, you'll notice that Copilot has placed a dash in front of all of these subtasks here. So to remove this, it's relatively simple. Go to Find and Select, go to Replace. And we want to replace the dash, which is dash space, with simply nothing. Go replace all, 19 replacements, close that box. You have now the start of a pretty good and simplified project schedule for this project that we know very little about. Next, I'm going to save this file as website refresh. After saving the Excel document, we have now opened our Microsoft project, and to access the Excel document, we're actually going to select this through Open, and we're going to Browse, and we're going to open our Excel file. Now, video number 17 of this series shows a detailed step-by-step instruction on how to do this. So I'm going to do this a little quicker, and we'll see what we end up with. Ensure that you select, instead of projects, Excel workbook. Select your new file. You'll be presented with a wizard to help you to convert your Excel file into MS Project format. Select new map. We're going to be selecting a new project. The Excel file, as you can remember, mainly contains tasks. We're going to select tasks. Import includes headers. Keep that. Go next. Then you map the worksheet. So the data is contained in sheet 1 of the Excel document. Here it is, task and estimated duration. We are going to map this to Microsoft Project fields. Mapping is the field's name and duration. Then select finish. There you have the start of a project schedule. Now I'm going to quickly tidy things up to make it look better and keep the conditions that I'm comfortable with, particularly making sure all of our tasks are auto-scheduled. We're going to indent our tasks, and we can make some assumptions on the linking and predecessors for this project. And there we have it. Now, 5 minutes ago, we had very little idea as to how we were going to put this schedule together. You'd agree, with the help of AI and the Microsoft tools that we have through Excel and Microsoft Project, using this method, while it won't be perfect on the first time that you put it together, it certainly will get your project the momentum and the quick start that it needs. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and please subscribe as well.